And then I got power wire ran up here. It will get ran around to this wire. And then I just gotta run a wire to the distributor, to this wire. And then mount my few grounds up here and connect the headlight wiring. I still need a headlight switch and a switch for my wipers. I figured out if I hook this wire and these two wires up, it works and it goes back to where it's supposed to be. Got the heater to work. It's only got one speed. We'll have to mess with it a little more. Cut up the brackets for my dash. This was where all the gauges were on the electric dash for these green pieces right here. So I cut out the center so I have the supports. So now I can bolt it in and it will hold the dash in place. That one's missing, broken, but the other three are there. Can't see these ones through here. Just gotta do the headlight side switch. Not quite sure what I want to do for that yet, if I want to pick up a headlight switch or use some of the toggle switches I have around. Digital speedometer doesn't want to fire up. Might have to test it out in one of the... There it goes. I don't quite remember how it works, but I will have to play with it. And apparently something's wrong with my fuel gauge. So that's great.